So first whisper, tell me your name.
Hi. Whoops. Hi. My name is Catherine. Lyon.
So that's why we say whispering is bad, because you use a lot of muscular effort. You use your false vocal folds, and then you kind of pull the arytenoids down over top. And it's like putting a mute into a trumpet, where you're just squelching the voice out.
Hi. Oh. So that would mean when you're sick and you can't talk,
Yeah,
whisper,
just,
never do it.
No, just still try to talk in your normal voice. Okay, why don't you clear? Yeah,
Oh.
so see how hard that is. That's super bad for your voice. And then cough. See how much tension that creates too. So, yep. Where the arytenoids actually go down and touch the base of the petiole. That's so much tension. Yep. And then kind of, it's called a valsalva, where you kind of hold your breath tight. Like people who are big weightlifters, yeah, and they're valsalvaing. That's not good for the voice. See how tight that comes together? Good.